Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be doing an update on the compost bins. It looks good. This is the brand new one we did, and this is the old one. Here I'm adding coffee grounds and cutting up coffee filters and veggie scraps. This makes it easier for it to compost. Now we turn the compost. You do this twice a week. Now we add water to keep it moist. And that's all. You're on your way to great compost for your garden. Cover your compost tightly for pest control, moisture management, heat retention, and odor containment. Happy composting! See you on the next one.